If you're sitting, if there's anything on your laps, that doesn't need to be there, would you kindly put it aside? And just allow my words to guide you into a deeper space of being. If it's comfortable, close your eyes or gaze softly down. Just allow yourself to be. We are human beings. We have a whole lot of doing, but that is on top of the being. And this moment is for being. Feel your breath. It's in and out. Moving oxygen and carbon dioxide and other things, but also having a pause at the top and the bottom of the breath. Invoking stillness 24/7, 365, 66 days a year. Feeling that presence in us. Today is a day of inflection. It is equinox, the balance of light and dark, which is not necessarily good and bad. Both are necessary. So, like that day of inflection that we are currently in, this is our opportunity to balance all of the things inside and outside of us. So allow your breath to move and be that catalyst for change. It might be you have a stiff muscle somewhere. Allow your breath to just gently move that. It might be that there are a number of thoughts running through your head. Allow your breath to carry them where they need to be without having to think about where to put them. It could be something in your heart, wanting a little nurturance. Allow that stillness, that presence, that beingness to envelop, coddle, support that desire. Allow all of that to be. You are held in the arms of love. You are that love. And everything surrounding you is that love as well. Allow it to all coalesce and harmonize in the silence together. expanded space. Let us offer for anything that does not yet feel harmonized or in this same expanded state. Whether it be the conflict that is going on most visibly in Ukraine and Russia, or things closer to home, any people, situations, or places. And I'm holding our prayer box, which is a visual representation of us holding things in prayer. Would you call names to those situations, those people, those places, softly aloud, invoking this essence, this beingness, to be ever more present? We know that thoughts and feelings held in mind bring their kind. So that by being that peace, that love, that harmony, that whatever power or essence that from your perspective is needed, by holding that as that possibility, you make it more real for all on the planet. Thank you. And we know all of the requests in this prayer box are also being held in this energy. Allow yourself to bring that energy back into the room, into your body. And when you're ready, you can start wiggling fingers and toes. Perhaps open your eyes, stretch.